Okay, so let's have a look at converting these improper fractions to mixed numbers in their simplest form. So in terms of this, let's look at B. Okay, so it's 28 out of 10. Okay, so there's two ways I can go about this. Okay, I'll show you both methods. So the first method is that I simplify this first. Okay, so if I simplify this first, I look and I think, okay, well 2 goes into that 14 times and into that 5 times. So I have 14 over 5. I can now write this as a mixed number. Okay, so I have 5 goes into 14 twice, and I have 4 out of 5 left over. Okay, so it's 2 4/5. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Okay, now another way of possibly looking at this and doing this, okay, is by this. So if I have 28 out of 10, okay, I can then think, okay, 10 goes into 28, right, twice, and if it does that, right, 2 lots of 10 are 20, which means I'd have 8 out of 10 left over. Okay, and then I simplify this fraction at the end as well. So I have 2, and 2 goes into that 4 times and into that 5 times, so I have 4 over 5, which gives me the same answer. Okay, now my preference would be that you simplify it first, then you write it as a mixed number if you need to. Okay, because that's typically the majority of the way that these things are done. So let's have a look at D here. Okay, and let's have a look at D and see how that works. 8 over 6. So again, I simplify it first. So 2 goes into that 4 times and into that 3 times. So I have 4 over 3. I can now write this as my mixed fraction of 3 goes into 4 once. And basically 1 times 3 is 3. So that leaves 1 left over. 1 out of 3 is left over. Okay, once I've done that. Okay, so that's how I can simplify these and have them as mixed numbers.